Welcome to the CalFresh family cooking series, where we'll be making some simple and healthy recipes as a family.
Hi, my name is Rosie, and this is my mom, Shasha, and today we are chefs.
Yes, chef. Today we'll be making tasty fruit tarts. This colorful recipe provides vitamins and nutrients. The ingredients you'll need are 6 pieces of whole wheat bread, some cream cheese, honey, vanilla, milk. You can pick any type of fruit you like. We picked blueberries, strawberries, oranges, and bananas. Let's get started. First, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Next, we take the crust off the bread, just like that. Then place them on a baking sheet. While we wait for our oven to preheat, we will be making our cream cheese. So we need our cream cheese at room temperature. It will be easier to stir. So we're gonna add some milk to that. We're gonna add some honey.
It's like a beehive.
A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it up.
How does it look?
It looks good.
It smells good.
Smell it. Does it smell good? Then bake the bread in the oven for about 10 minutes until crisp. While the bread is baking, we're gonna prep our fruit. So would you like to help me with the banana? And I will be cutting the strawberries. Let the bread cool for 5 minutes. Now that our bread has cooled, it's time to decorate. We're gonna add some cream cheese for our cream cheese spread. There you go. Go ahead and spread it. Spread a generous tablespoon of cream cheese on each piece of whole bread. Let's pick our fruit. I want some strawberries and some blueberries. Can you give me some banana? Thank you.
We did not peel this.
Arrange the fruits on the top of the tart. You can use any combination you like.
And there you have it.
A tasty fruit tart for an afternoon snack.